Hey everybody, welcome back. So as you can see, we're in my car, so that only means one thing. I'm at a thrift store. So I'm in the city today. I'm in Gainesville, Florida, and I have been waiting for this Goodwill to open up. I saw a fellow YouTuber say it was open and it looked really nice and organized. So since I was in the city, I really wanted to pop in and see what we could find. Since you guys seem to really enjoy the last thrift video, I was thinking I'm going to be adding more thrift trips on my channel. It's a really big part of my life, so why not bring you guys along and we can shop together. I also, since the last time we spoke, I'm vlogging on my phone. I don't know if you guys know, but if you've seen my last videos, I lost my camera in a DIY project. It went for a swim, so I have to record everything on my phone. But on my phone, I have a list. I started a thrift list of things that I want to find while I'm at the thrift store. I think I'm doing this more so I don't go over budget and I don't buy things that I really don't need just because they're cheap or they're a good price or whatever. Because if you guys know, if you guys are a thrifter, if you find something nice, you're like, oh, but such a good price, I might need it, and you buy it and then you don't end up using it. So I'm gonna follow my list. I'm gonna try to get just what's on my list, but if it's something that I might need for real, I'll pick it up. But yeah, let's go on in. I just had breakfast, so we're gonna go in and we'll see what we can find. Little fluffy. It looks like a little imitation Birkin bag. You know how the Birkins have this? India. Steve Madden, but I don't need it, so really cute.
The floor is new.
Mm-hmm. I found a fake or imitation bag. So I forgot to mention to you guys that the shorts that I got last time don't fit anymore. I have been losing so much weight that they're way too big, so that's one thing on my list. I'm also looking for a skirt. I don't even know the type of skirt, and it's not a pencil skirt. I don't know the name of them all, but if I find one, I'll show you guys. So yeah. So unfortunately, certain parts of the store were really loud music-wise, so I need to voice over a little. But right here, I found this beautiful silk skirt, which I liked very much, but unfortunately, she was too big for me. So even though I liked it, I had to leave her behind. And then right after, I found this beautiful dark, like light gray denim skirt, which was also too small for me. It was size 7, but I really, really liked it. Unfortunately, she also had to stay. So I was looking through the color for skirts, something I don't tend to do, but I found this really pretty skirt. So this is a style of skirt that I'm looking for. I don't know the name of it, but I am looking for it in satin in this exact same style. But this one is so pretty. I like the little detail of the belt right here, and then just the ruching, the roof ruffles, everything about it is so pretty. This one wouldn't fit because it's a size, let me see, oopsie, size 8. So yeah, I know it wouldn't fit, but this is a style that I want. Hopefully in the future I can find it. Very pretty. That is such a cute cover up. Always looking for jeans because you never know what you're gonna find. What size are those? For you? Oh my gosh.
7.
Yeah, that's enough. Oh, you're 7? Try them on. These look really long. My daughter went to the book aisle, but it might fit her. She's a really tall girl, so. They're from Wild Fable. I don't know if I would wear them. Maybe. I think they're for sleeping. I don't think I would wear these out. So I'm trying to stay away from the sweater jacket area because here in Florida it's really hot right now, so we're not really using sweater and jackets, but it doesn't hurt to look. I did come upon this jacket right here, but I have too many like workout jackets, so I decided to put her back. I am looking for a bomber jacket. Unfortunately, this one right here had too many wrinkles, and because it had been in that same position for too long, they were starting to crack, so I just went right by her. So unfortunately, we didn't have much luck here in the sweater jacket area, but that's okay. It never hurts to look. It is so big in here, guys. I'm trying to get a good area where I can show you how big it is. Like, they organized this so well. I love it. I love it. And you know us, we made it to the book area. It's actually really nice too. It goes further that way. But everything is really nicely organized, and it is huge, guys, like huge. Like it just keeps going on and on and on. Very nicely organized and very pretty too. And I have found a few goodies, so I'm gonna see what I end up keeping later. Hey guys, so we are home. My girls just ran in, so I told them go in so I can do my little, outro. But we're home. We were there for 2 hours and a half. My kids are tired. They're hungry, they're tired, so they're resting now, they're eating. But we did find a lot of nice things. I found a lot of nice things. Unfortunately, they did not fit properly, so I didn't get almost anything. I just got one item. One item I'll show you when we go inside. But the thrift store was huge. It was clean, it was organized, but it has so much stuff that after a while it does tend to get a little overwhelming. So for my girls who've never been thrift shopping with me like that long, it definitely got a lot for them. They're like, we want to go home, we're tired. So I was like, okay, let's go home, I'll come back some other day. But yeah, I actually really like the thrift store. Like I said, it's big, very much packed with items and things. This is the first Goodwill I see incorporate like brand new items. They had like a whole section of like brand new items. They also had like a little snack area for you to grab like sodas and just snacks, which was kind of cool. But yeah, I'll definitely be going back when I'm in that part of the city. And I'm also going to show you guys something I purchased at another thrift store to make up for our very tiny little haul. Unfortunately, not every single time we're going to get a lot of stuff, but that's okay, because like I said before, we're being really picky. We're trying to just incorporate items that we're gonna use, that we know we're gonna use, instead of just having things in our closet that I never go for. So yeah, but let's go inside because I'm tired too. Sorry guys, so just letting you guys know right now before we start, my mic for some reason is not connecting. I usually connect it to my phone when I was filming on my camera, but since we don't have a camera, it's not working for some reason. But I want to show you guys really quick what I got, so let's go ahead and do that. All right everybody, so these are the pants that I purchased today at Goodwill. They are faux leather, which is something different and out of my comfort zone. I would never wear something like this, but when I put them on and they fit nicely, I was like, you can't say no. So I bought them. They look really, really good, especially with like a black top. You could definitely do anything darker than the pants themselves and it would look nice. I would definitely wear this for the evening, for like dinner at night, because if you were to wear this during the day, you would be toast. Like they would be really, really hot. So I like something for the nighttime for these, a little nice little shirt, and some nice little high heels and a bag. It's gonna look really, really pretty if you go out to dinner. But they fit like a glove. I really, really like them. They're nice. They're not too big for me, and they look just like the ones I had earlier in in jean, but now in a leather style or faux leather. But yeah, I like them very, very much. I'm super happy that I found these. Something, like I said, definitely out of my comfort zone, but I'm happy I gave it a go. I changed real quick, but I want to show you guys really quick my bag that I purchased the other day at my local Goodwill. So sorry that we didn't buy a lot today, but I do sometimes go shopping without you guys. I do that a lot. But the other day I went shopping here and I found this pretty little bag. I'm gonna be taking her for the beach. So when we go to the beach, I'm gonna put stuff in here. This beautiful flower is actually what caught my attention as I was walking out. They had her in the cabinets. Sometimes they put like the pretty items down there, and I saw her and I immediately wanted to see her. So yeah, not bad, $9.99 like I said, and not a bad price at all. She's really big, so she's going to fit a lot of items. I used to have one, it had red, white, and then the color brown, but it ripped, so I was really sad when that one ripped. I had to get rid of her. But now that I have this one, yay, finally. Like I said, I'm trying not to buy things that I know I'm not gonna use or that I have double of, and since the other one was ripped, that's why I picked this one up. And super happy that I found her. So like all days are not always, good thrift days, but some days you get to find those unique little items like this right here, and that's what I love. But that is it for our video today. I hope you guys enjoyed our thrift trip. I hope you got to see a little goodies here and there, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I will see you guys all in our next video. Bye.